How to make text in a circle in Canva. First is go to Elements, and then using the search bar, search for circle. Under Shapes, select the first option, and then drag it to the blank canvas. Now go to Text. Under Default Text Styles, select the first option. Now in the text box, type in your text. Now select the text or highlight the text and then go to Effects. Scroll down and you will see this portion shape. Under Shape, select Curve. Now as you can see, the text has been curved. So do the same thing to the second text box. Now scroll down again and this portion here will appear. So you may change the degree of the curve by adjusting this button. So you can delete the circle if it is not part of the design, or you can replace it with a better design. And so that is how you make text in a circle in Canva. Thank you and have a great day.